8 Tips How to Make Man Fall Madly in Love with You. Love comes to everyone at their own time. You can't rush these things. You can't speed up love, otherwise you'll only blow it. 10 Tips on how to make a guy fall in love with you. 1. Let him feel needed. Look, men just love to know they're needed. It's a guy thing. It doesn't have to mean that you are dependent on him, nor does it make you any less amazing in your own right. 2. Spend some healthy time apart. I know that right now all you want is to be with this guy 24/7, and I can get that. But hear me out. You can still spend insane amounts of time with him, just don't give him all of you this fast. 3. Flatter him. You don't have to make stuff up that isn't true. What I'm talking about here is much simpler. Let's say you're meeting him for a date night. He shows up, picks you up, and he looks so hot in that shirt. Just tell him exactly what you thought when you saw him. 4. Be real. If there is anyone in this world who feels threatened by your intelligence and capabilities, then that person has a problem that has nothing to do with you. Let them resolve it within themselves, and keep being your badass self. If you want to know more, then click on the link in the description below, or visit datingwins.com/hissecret. 5. Appreciate his masculine side. This doesn't mean that you have to jump on him every time you see him and admire his muscles with loud moans and such. No. You can literally take this however you want, depending on what masculinity represents to you. 6. Don't rush with your profession of love. I understand you're over the moon for the guy. I know that you love to spend as much time with him as possible, and you truly feel like he could be a good partner to you in the long run. And that's all amazing. But don't jump the gun here. Be smart. 7. Don't be afraid to tell him he's in your thoughts. In the early stages of any relationship, one or both parties are always hesitant to tell the other one they're thinking of them, due to fear of sounding too straightforward a little too soon. 8. Always support him and encourage him. One of the most fundamental aspects in a relationship is support. You need to be there for your partner and show him that you support his ideas and ambitions, and don't doubt him. He's probably full of doubts himself, so be his cheerleader instead. If you want to know more, then click on the link in the description below, or visit datingwins.com/hissecret. Do you like this video and want to keep updated about the new dating wins? In that case, like, share and click the subscribe button for more dating wins.